The WRX Premium is a superior beginning spot for most customers since it includes a bigger and all the more dominant touchscreen infotainment framework with root versus the base trim dimension, and it tends to be optioned with extra execution and well-being highlights. The 2019 Subaru WRX and WRX Sti convey fast quickening and connecting with taken care of. These reduced-game vehicles aren't as tranquil or refined as their rivals, yet you won't discover sport cars with more influence and all-wheel drive for less cash. The WRX needs in great looks, it compensates for in value. The WRX's open lodge is easy to utilize and offers great perceivability. It would be far superior whenever offered as a hatchback like contenders, yet even as a vehicle it's difficult to beat.